Hi boys and girls, let's get started on our math lesson. We're going to learn about numbers. We're also going to learn to count. All right, let's get started. Hi boys and girls, let's get started on our number sense flashcards. You tried to say the number before me. 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 5, 1, 4, 3, 3, 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 3, and 2. Awesome job. Okay, now let's review the numbers we've already learned. Here we go. 1, just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write a 1. Good. 2, around and back on the railroad track. That's how we make a 2, 2, 2. Around a tree, that's how we make a 3. Down and over and down some more. That's how we write a 4. You go down, around, then add a hat. There's your 5. How about that? Great job. What number do you see today? Yes, this is the number 6. Let's make a 6 in the sky. Do you know any friends that are 6 years old? Maybe you're about to be 6 years old. Let's look at this dot cube. How many dots do you see? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I see 6 dots. Count them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the last number I said, so there are 6 dots. Okay, here's a few ways to make the 6. This is how you write a 6. This is how you would do 6 with your fingers. You would have all fingers up on one hand, like this, and then you'd have one finger up on the other hand, like this. So 5, all 5 up on one hand, and one more is 6. This is one way that it would look like on a domino. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, and there's 1 on that side. So 5 and 1 all together, 5, 6 makes 6. So let's get started on learning how to write the number 6. So we start on the dot, and it says down to a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we write a 6. Down to a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we write a 6. You can try to write it in the air with me, okay? Down to a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we write a 6. One more time. Down to a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we write a 6. All right, boys and girls, I just wanted to remind you that we have these number tracer cards. If you were ever struggling with writing a letter, get these out and practice with your dry erase. You start at the top, down to a loop, 6 rows a hoop. That's how we make a 6. Now, if you ever struggle, you can just keep going doing this over and over and over again until you feel comfortable doing it. Okay, that's what these number tracers are for. I wanted to show you what 6 looks like on a 10 frame. We've worked with a 5 frame. This is a 10 frame. We've worked a little bit with a 10 frame, haven't we? There are 10 frames, 5 at the top and 5 at the bottom. So when you have 6 on a 5 frame, you fill up the top, and that would be 5. That's what 5. And then you add 1 more at the bottom, so that is 6. So when you see 6 on the 10 frame, you see the whole top row filled and 1 at the bottom, and you know that's 6. Let's see how many are empty. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 empty squares and 6 squares filled. Okay, boys and girls, after the math video, you can get your math folder out. You can get lesson 1-6 out. It has 1-6, and then there's name. This is the word name. The letters N, A, M, E come together to write the word name. Now you're going to write your name, which is also a word, on in this box here, and try to write it as neat as possible. I love looking at your writing. Now it says, I can identify, write, and count to the number 6. So it says trace the number. You can trace the number with your finger. You can trace it with an eraser. It's up to you. You can trace it with the cap of the marker. Whatever you want to trace it with, it doesn't matter. So down to a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we make a 6. Down to the loop, 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we make a 6. Down to a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we make a 6. Down to the loop, 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we make a 6. Down to the loop, 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we make a 6. Down to the loop, 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we make a 6. Now notice, boys and girls, mine is not as curved. It's just straight down. But know that the 6 does look like that, but we're going to write them like this. All right. So you can get your crayons out, or your color pencils or markers, whatever you prefer. And then you're going to find all the number 6s, and you're going to circle them. If you want to, you can color in the circle. That's up to you. You can just circle it and leave it as it is. It's your choice. You just find all the 6s. There. Is that a 6? No, that's a 5. Is that a 6? Nope. 4, 2, not a 6. 1, that's not a 6. Yep, that's a 6. Circle it, color it in. Again, you don't have to color it in. It's 3, 4, 6. Color this one in. 3, 2. There's a 6. There we are. All right, now here's a 10 frame, just like we just did. I'm going to draw 6. So remember, the whole top line is filled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? Let me stop. The whole top line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more is 6. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, You can do 6 dots either way. I'm going to do 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3. Let me see how many end up on the other side. 4, 5, 6. All right. Oh, let me go back up and color it. Boys and girls, you can color yours in any way you would like. You can do rainbow, you can do ones I'll color, but the most important thing is enjoy it, relax, take your time, do your best work. Make sure you're holding your pencil correctly or your crayon correctly. Okay. I'm not going to color the circle in the middle. Okay, make sure all your 6 is colored in. You don't leave any white spots. All right, I can't wait to see your 6 paper. Make sure someone sends a picture of it to me so I can give you a big, super duper smiley face for today. All right, boys and girls, don't forget, we learned the number 6 today. It's down to the loop, 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we make a 6. And when someone has one hand all the way up and no fingers down like this, and then one more, that is 6. See if you can see it. There, that's 6. And there's 5 dots there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then one more is 6. Just like that. 5 and one more is 6. All right, boys and girls. See you soon. Great job today. Bye-bye.